In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products in WooCommerce effectively. Whether you're setting up an online store for the first time or updating an existing one, learning to import products efficiently can save you tons of time and effort. Let's dive right into the process. First, you need to prepare a CSV file that is encoded in UTF-8. This format is critical because it ensures your data is compatible with WooCommerce. Your CSV should follow WooCommerce's product schema, which includes essential fields such as the product's image, URL, name, SKU, price, description, and any attributes you plan to include, like size or color. Ensuring your CSV is structured correctly is key to a smooth import process, so take your time to set this up accurately. Once your CSV file is ready, navigate to your WordPress admin. From here, go to the Products section and click on All Products. At the top of this page, you'll find an Import option. Go ahead and click that. This will open a window where you can upload your CSV file. If you're not just adding new products but also updating existing ones, make sure to check the box labeled Update Existing Products. This option allows you to update items by matching them to their SKU or post ID, ensuring everything stays up to date without creating duplicates. As you proceed, you'll be taken to a screen where you map your CSV columns to WooCommerce fields. WooCommerce does a great job of auto-matching most of the headers from your CSV file to its corresponding fields, which can save you a lot of hassle. However, it's crucial to carefully review these mappings. Check that each column from your CSV file is aligned with the appropriate WooCommerce field. If you spot any mismatches, adjust them accordingly to ensure all your data imports correctly. Now, it's time to run the importer. Click the button to start the import process and wait for it to complete. This might take a few moments depending on the size of your product list. Once the importer has finished, you'll be presented with a summary. This summary is incredibly helpful as it will highlight any errors encountered during the import, as well as confirm the successful addition of products. Reviewing this provides assurance that your products have been imported correctly and gives you the opportunity to address any issues immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully imported products into WooCommerce, streamlining your store management. Remember, mastering this skill not only enhances your efficiency today, but also leaves you well prepared for future updates and expansions. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!